it's Natalie. Today we're making a banana boat smoothie, which is a copycat recipe from Smoothie King. Let's grab our ingredients: 2 frozen bananas, Greek yogurt, ice, almond milk, and maple syrup. Add your bananas, milk, and Greek yogurt with maple syrup and blend. After the initial blend, scrape down the sides and check the consistency. Mine's a little watery, so I'm going to add some ice. Give it a taste test and adjust flavors and consistency. You can add more ice or a little bit more sweetener if you prefer, or vanilla protein powder. Once you've got the perfect consistency and flavor, go ahead and serve in any glass you like.